10 quick tips to lose weight if you're a couch potato. Most of us want to be slim and fit, but all the different diets we've tried are torturous, and their effect disappears as soon as we go back to our usual eating habits. But don't fall into deep and dark despair just yet. Brightside has done some research and found tips that will help you shed those extra pounds with no effort, no diets, and 0 exercising. What was that? The sound of your jaw hitting the floor? That's right. So without further ado, here's a short guide to getting that perfect figure for all the lazy ones out there. Number 10. Don't forget to drink water. We know you've heard it over and over again, drink more water. Yes, you're well aware that water is life, and you even make an effort to drink it from time to time. But you've probably never thought about how truly helpful it can be for your metabolism. Just don't forget that timing is key here. The right way to do it is to drink 1 to 2 glasses of water 30 minutes before every meal. This way, your metabolic processes will have a fresh start, and your stomach will be partially filled up with water, forcing you to eat less. This hydration regimen will also tame your sweet tooth and prevent you from constantly raiding the fridge. It's not just a tired old saying. Seriously, drink more water. Number 9. Pay attention to your food. In today's day and age, we're used to having our meals as fast as possible. A quick breakfast when you're running late for work, a hasty lunch because you have way too much to do, and even a speedy dinner at times when you're just too exhausted at the end of the day. Try to switch up your approach here. Make eating a small ritual. It really won't take as much of your time as you think. Sit down at the table, don't rush, don't try to multitask, forget about your problems, no watching TV, and no playing around on your phone. It's just you and your food, and you need to give it your undivided attention. Be mindful of what you eat and how you do it. Recent studies showed that this method really does influence your food intake and helps you taste food more clearly, resulting in eating less. Number 8. Use a smaller plate and chopsticks. There are a lot of other ways to trick yourself into consuming less food. For example, to avoid thinking too much about your portion sizes, grab a smaller plate and eat only the amount of food that it can hold. Studies have proven that this technique is rather effective. Reducing the plate size leads to a 30% reduction in the amount of food consumed. Just don't start stacking food vertically to make up for the loss of space. Chopsticks are also a great addition. When using chopsticks, you eat more slowly, which helps you feel full with a smaller amount of food. If you're absolutely hopeless at using chopsticks, just use a small spoon or your non-dominant hand. It really does do the trick. It's like magic. Number 7. Sleep more. Here's some music to your ears. Sleeping helps you lose weight too. No joke. So congratulations, the day has finally come. You now have the perfect excuse to stay in bed longer since it's a part of your diet plan. If you think about it, it makes total sense. When you're asleep, you can't eat, right? All jokes aside, a good night's sleep has been proven to have a great impact on keeping good metabolism and maintaining the right levels of ghrelin and leptin, your body's hunger hormones. On the contrary, poor sleep disrupts these hormones, resulting in an increased appetite and a weakening of your body's "okay, I'm full now" sensation. Plus, you're not exactly doing nothing while sleeping because your body is burning between 50 and 100 calories an hour. Another great reason to take a nap. Number 6. Sleep in the cold. While we're on the topic of sleeping, there's another trick you can do to lose even more weight while you're in dreamland. All you have to do is turn down your thermostat or open a window. How easy is that? Research from the National Institutes of Health says that sleeping with a room temperature of 66 degrees Fahrenheit helps your body get rid of fat because it burns calories to maintain its normal temperature of around 98 degrees Fahrenheit. The number of calories you burn depends on a variety of factors, but the studies showed that 15 minutes in the cold is basically equal to 1 solid hour of exercising. Along with your pant size, your heating bill will go down too. I mean, this just keeps getting better and better. Number 5. Add some fat burners. Not that many people realize that you don't have to give up your usual food while you're trying to get fit and lose some extra inches. Just diversify your menu with salmon, eggs, nuts, olive oil, hot peppers, and green tea. Why specifically these products, you may ask? The answer is simple. They're natural metabolism boosters and fat burners. There are tons of natural appetite suppressants as well, like ginger, avocados, apples, and sweet potatoes. Even the scents of citrus or peppermint can reduce your appetite. So the choices here are endless. Just pick the products you like and incorporate them into your daily menu. No pills involved here. Number 4. Forget prohibitions. For a lot of people, dieting is basically the equivalent of constant prohibitions. Know this, you can't have that. It seriously makes you feel like you're a kid again. But the truth is, if you want to eat a cookie or some chocolate, just do it. But only eat 1 instead of 3 or 5, or the whole pack in one sitting. And try to eat it in the morning, so your body will have enough time to burn all those calories throughout the day. Strict prohibitions aren't good because they cause stress, and as a result, a higher level of bad hormones. Besides, you beat yourself up if you break them, and that's the last thing you need. Plus, science is on your side here. A study from the Netherlands showed that the scent and taste of dark chocolate reduces your appetite as it decreases your ghrelin levels. Just don't forget that moderation is important here. If you've just eaten several cupcakes, get ready to do some extra work to stay in shape. Number 3. Brush your teeth. It may sound weird and sort of out of the blue, but hear us out. We're sure that you already do it at least twice a day, right? So this trick shouldn't be too hard for you. Just make one little change. Start brushing your teeth right after every meal. This will prevent you from going back for seconds. One reason for this is that food doesn't taste very good when you have a minty flavor in your mouth. Another reason is that we're simply too lazy to brush our teeth multiple times after every meal. So this habit will not only make you eat less, but also leave you with perfectly pearly white teeth. Number 2. Laugh. Laughing makes everything better and brighter, and as it turns out, it also makes you lose weight. According to a study published in the International Journal of Obesity, when we laugh, our energy expenditure increases by up to 20% compared to when we're resting. Besides, it really works out your ab muscles. You know that feeling when your stomach hurts from laughing so much? That's exactly it. 15 minutes of laughter can burn 10 to 40 calories, depending on your weight and how hard you're laughing. So now the real question is, what's your favorite comedy show? Turn it on and start exercising. Number 1. Use hot compresses. If you're a true couch potato, then you enjoy spending most of your time on the sofa. I mean, it's not called being a couch potato for nothing. Here's an effective method to help you lose weight while you're sitting and watching TV or reading a book. As we all know, heat makes you sweat, which expels unnecessary liquid from your body. That's why you can use hot compresses if you want to slim down certain trouble areas of your body, like the lower abdomen, aka the infamous belly pooch. You can do different kinds of compresses depending on your preferences. Amongst the most popular are salt or ginger compresses. For the salt one, you need to roast about half a bowl of salt in the oven, pack it into a thin towel, and put it on your belly. You can also mix 3 tablespoons of salt in enough hot water to create a paste, and gently massage it all over your belly. Making the ginger compress is a little more time-consuming, but just as effective. You'll need to grate half a cup of fresh ginger and add it to a large pot of boiling water. Let it sit for 5 minutes and then dip a washcloth into the ginger water. Be careful, let it cool for a little bit before placing it on your tummy, and cover the compress with another towel to hold the heat in. To get a stronger effect and keep your compress hot for longer, you can blow it with a hairdryer. Do you have any lazy hacks for weight loss on your own? Let us know in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share this video with all your friends. Subscribe to our channel to see more informative and fun videos like this, and always stay on the bright side.